Welcome back to the channel, Bike Culture Hub, where we dive into the world of all things two-wheel and four-wheel with the passion of enthusiasts. Today we're shifting gears, pun intended, and taking a look at the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup. This truck blends classic rugged charm with modern engineering, and whether you're a fan of pickups, vintage designs, or just looking for a solid vehicle that delivers both style and substance, the GMC Vintage Pickup has something to offer. Let's take a deep dive into the design, performance, and features of this timeless machine. At first glance, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup stands out with its bold, unmistakable front. The signature GMC grille dominates the front, featuring that iconic block letter branding that carries with it a sense of heritage. The sharp lines and slight curves around the grille give it a refined yet rugged aesthetic, which is balanced by the perfectly sculpted front bumper. This is a design that immediately evokes nostalgia while still holding on to the principles of modern engineering. The vintage pickup feel comes from those familiar round headlights, but with LED technology now built in, the truck gets a modern twist while still maintaining that old-school truck vibe. Moving along to the side, this pickup doesn't disappoint. The long, muscular body with clean, straight lines that run from the front to the rear doors give it an almost seamless look. The fender flares are bold yet tastefully done, and they seem to wrap around the tires, accentuating the truck's powerful stance. The 20-inch alloy wheels have an old-school design but are paired with the latest tire technology, which balances the retro feel with performance-driven practicality. The doors open wide, giving easy access to the cabin, and the door handles are elegantly simple, complementing the vehicle's timeless aesthetic. As we step to the back, the GMC Vintage Pickup showcases the craftsmanship that has gone into this design. The rear tailgate is wide, with the classic GMC lettering embossed in the metal. The design feels sturdy and industrial, but it's the small touches, like the chromed-out exhaust tips and retro-style rear lights, that really tie this truck's vintage roots together with a modern flair. The bed itself, made from durable materials, speaks to the functionality and toughness that any pickup needs to have, whether you're hauling gear or just looking for that classic truck look. Inside the cabin, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup strikes a balance between nostalgia and modern-day technology. The dashboard features vintage-style dials and switches, but the modern-day touch comes from the full-color digital infotainment display that seamlessly integrates into the design. The steering wheel, designed with thick leather, feels great in your hands, giving a traditional vibe with the comfort of a contemporary vehicle. The seats are made from top-grade leather that offers both style and comfort, with a vintage-style pattern that complements the overall retro theme. There's plenty of room in the front and back, and the truck doesn't skimp on luxury features either. Heated and ventilated seats, premium sound system, and a panoramic sunroof are just a few of the high-end touches you'll find inside. Now, let's talk about what really matters to those of you who might be looking at this truck for something more than just its looks, the performance. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup comes equipped with a 5.3L V8 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque for all your towing and hauling needs. The truck boasts 355 horsepower and a hefty 383 lb-ft of torque, making it more than capable of handling heavy loads, whether you're towing a trailer or hauling some serious cargo. The engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts whether you're cruising on highways or taking it off-road. Speaking of off-road, this pickup comes with an advanced all-wheel drive system so you can take on tougher terrains with confidence. Handling is a key focus in the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup, and with an adaptive suspension system, this truck offers an impressive ride that feels both smooth and stable. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising down open highways, the truck is able to maintain excellent composure, and it feels solid throughout. The braking system is robust, with large disc brakes on all four corners to ensure that you can stop on a dime when needed. The inclusion of modern safety features like lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system makes it as safe as it is stylish. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup starts at around $45,000 for the base model. Of course, pricing can go up depending on the trim level and additional features you choose. For those wanting a higher-end model, you can expect prices to climb above $55,000, but that price includes features like premium audio, more advanced safety systems, and of course, all of the comfort options you could ask for. In comparison to similar vehicles in its class, it offers great value for the blend of luxury, performance, and rugged appeal it delivers. To wrap things up, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is a vehicle that successfully blends nostalgia with modern engineering. It takes the best parts of classic truck design and integrates cutting-edge technology, offering a driving experience that's smooth, comfortable, and powerful. Whether you're after a vehicle that can haul, tow, or just make a statement on the road, the GMC Vintage Pickup delivers. Its blend of classic aesthetics with modern performance capabilities ensures that it stands out, making it a perfect choice for those who want a truck that does it all without compromising on style. That's all for today's review of the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Culture Hub for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates in the world of vehicles. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the GMC Vintage Pickup, or if there's a vehicle you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.